8-minute follow along ab blast with me. Hi everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabby, and as I just said, today is 8 minutes of pure ab exercises. If you've not already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that. Press the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new workout. All of my workouts are completely equipment free and easy to follow along at home. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and I'll also pop the name down below. I will give modifications and of course advancements throughout. Leave me feedback after this. Let's get straight into today's ab workout. The first exercise coming in some switch changes, so lower yourself down, bring one knee in, send the other one away. You're going to switch and switch and switch. So I just want you to catch the underneath leg, your head, neck, shoulders, they are completely up and away from the floor here. So you've got head, neck, shoulders off, working into those upper abdominals. Let's warm up those abs, go switch and switch. And if you're feeling advanced today, you can take this full exercise with the hands away and switch and switch and switch. It will give you a deeper burnout. Whew. Go switch. Now at the end of every set, we're going to take a little bit of a cardio burst to make it harder. Go switch. We go change and change. We're going cardio burst in 5, in 4, we're going faster in 3, in 2, in 1. Now go switch, switch, switch. You can go back to hands underneath those thighs, whatever you want to do. Give me full power. Keep going. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock back, rock up forwards. You're going to reach the hands over the top of the head. Now your lower spine goes all the way, it goes down, down, down. You want to make as many wrinkles in your stomach as you possibly can. We're going to squeeze one elbow back. Go squeeze and reach. Opposite hands, reach forwards. We go squeeze, go reach. So you want a little C shape with the spine. You've got your abdominals scooped completely out. You have a round back. Your feet are imprinted to the floor. Go squeeze and reach. Whew. Reach. This is a great one for giving you the hourglass figure. We are sculpting out your waist today. Give me everything. Let's let those abs burn and shake. Go reach. We go squeeze and reach. Now you're going to go little cardio better. Squeeze, reach, squeeze, reach, squeeze, reach. Just give me another 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab underneath your thighs. You're going to tuck your chin to your chest. Now lift up and you are going to hold right here. Elbows come out to the side. Now breathe in, breathe exhale. One hand behind the head, second hand behind the head. Lower down. Chin to chest, all the way up and all the way back down. I know your abs are on fire from those other 2 exercises, but you have to slow back down. Inhale in, exhale, all the way up. Squeeze up, lift. Now you're trying to touch your nose onto your thighs. Chin to chest, all the way up, squeeze and lift. We've got 3 more of these. Breathe in, chin to chest, up, squeeze and lift. Low back down, stick with me. 2 more. Chin to chest, squeeze up, lift, and lower down. Now last one, you're going to hold this one. Chin to chest, and you're going to uplift and hold right here. Eyeliners on your thighs. Now you're going to reach your hands past your thighs and give me little reaches. Reach. It's like you're reaching past your feet. You're reaching for your brand new waist, your brand new body. Reach forward. Reach. Go up. Work those upper abs. Give me 8, 7, 6 more pulses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that is a burner. You're going to give yourself a little rock side to side. And then from here, you're going to bring both your feet, cross them over at the ankles, both the palms push to the floor, lift those hips, up and lower back down again. Inhale, exhale, up, lower down. So now you are tackling your lower abdominals. Push those palms down, lift the hips. You're trying to keep your feet on one straight line, up to the ceiling, back down again. Keep going, I know it's a burner. Up, and back down again. Push those feet up to the ceiling, down with the hips. With the hips, they scoop up under lift. Great for tackling those lower abs. Let's do this. You've got 3 more here. Up and push. 2 more. Up and push. One more. We've got it. Up and push. Now keep your legs right there. I want you to reach your fingertips to your toes. You're going to tuck your chin into your chest. Can you get your head, neck, shoulders off the floor? Now try and tap the toes. Go up. Go reach. You've just got 10, 9, 8 more pulses. 7, 6. Try and tap those toes. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees into the chest. Give me a little rock side to side. Unfortunately, we're going to go all over again. So you're going to grab one of your thighs and the other leg away. Chin to chest. Lift yourself up and away. Now switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. So we're going to repeat that whole thing all over again. But you have this. Switch. Switch. Whoo. Switch. Switch. Remember that advanced version. Hands are away, reaching forwards. The further you get your head, neck, shoulders away from the floor, the more it's gonna burn. Switch, switch. We're gonna go for a cardio burst. In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Go cardio burst here. Change those legs nice and fast. But the key point is keep the head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, knees into the chest, little rock, side to side, rock backwards, rock up forwards, hands reach high, lumbar spine goes down to the floor. Let's twist, go squeeze, reach, squeeze, and reach, go squeeze, go squeeze, go reach. Now remember, you are protecting your spine by making that gorgeous C shape, so the letter C with your spine. You have scooped out those abdominals. Squeeze. Reach. Now we're gonna go a little bit faster. Wring out that waistline. You're trying to twist your waist by keeping your hips still. It's just that torso twisting. Give me just 6, just 5, just 4, just 3, 2, 1. Okay, 2 more things to go. Lowering yourself down to the floor. Keep your legs in that tabletop position. Bring the hands, interlace them, send them behind the head, back into those crunches. Chin to chest, all the way up, all the way back down again. We've got it. Chin to chest, up, squeeze and lift, all the way back down. If your abs are shaking, if your whole body is shaking, it's working. You are fatiguing out the muscle, meaning you are burning fat, you are burning calories. So stick with me. We are so nearly done. 3 more. Chin to chest, up, lift, lower back down. 2 more. Squeeze up, lift, low back down. 1 more. Squeeze up and lift. Now you're gonna hold this one. Reach those hands forwards. Go up, go reach. You're reaching past your feet here. Up, go squeeze. Go 7, go 6. 1 more thing to go with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Cross the legs. Hands go down. Push up with the feet. Lower down. Push up with the feet. Lower down. So you're pressing your hips up to the ceiling, feet up to the ceiling. Whew. And down. We so have this. Up. Oh gosh, it's a burner. You literally have 10 more seconds. Let's make it count. Keep those feet still. You're gonna reach the hands up, chin to chest. Now lift and lift. Reach those fingertips to your toes and give me 8, 7. Try and tap your toes. It's done. Make it worth it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the burn. Give yourself a little change of your knees side to side and get rid of that burn. Well done in your 8-minute follow along ab blast. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tell me if you have any feedback down below in the comment section. Drop me a like, make sure you hit subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.